Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to buy dividend stocks on EØTrade. First, you'll need an EØTrade brokerage account. The online application process is straightforward and typically takes less than 10 minutes to complete. Once your account is open, you'll need to fund it. You can transfer money from a bank account, deposit a check, or even transfer an existing investment account. Make sure your funds have settled before placing any trades. Now that your account is ready, it's time to find some great dividend stocks. EØTrade offers robust research tools and screeners to help you identify companies that pay dividends. You can filter by criteria like dividend yield, market capitalization, and industry. Focus on companies with a history of consistent dividend payments and solid financial health. Always consider the dividend payout ratio and potential for future dividend growth. With your research complete, you're ready to place a trade. Log into your EØTrade account and navigate to the trading section. Enter the ticker symbol for the dividend stock you've chosen. You'll then select your order type. A market order executes immediately at the current price, while a limit order lets you specify a maximum purchase price. Finally, enter the number of shares you want to buy and review your order before submitting it. After purchasing your dividend stocks, the journey continues with portfolio management. EØTrade provides tools to track your dividend income and offers options for automatic dividend reinvestment, which can compound your returns over time. Regularly review your portfolio's performance against your financial goals. Stay updated on company news and broader market trends to make informed decisions about your holdings. This proactive approach helps ensure your dividend strategy remains effective.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.